Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad Zaidan, student number 17230740 from class 17.5.27. Today I will present my project 1, the Inside the Computer, Software and Operating System (OS). This project is from the English 2 course at Dina Sarana Informatica University. And let's begin to the part 1, Inside Computer.
Okay, for the first material is inside the computer. The first main part is processing. This part is controlled by the CPU or Central Processing Unit, which is known as the brain of the computer. It executes every command from simple clicks to complex tasks. The speed of CPU is measured in gigahertz. The higher, the faster. Some of the top CPU brands are Intel and AMD. Intel is famous for its Core Ultra series like Ultra 3, Ultra 5, Ultra 7, Ultra 9, and Xeon series for the workstation processor or server processor. While AMD is known for the Ryzen series like Ryzen 3, Ryzen 5, Ryzen 7, and Ryzen 9, and Threadripper series for workstation and server. Another important part of processing is RAM, or Random Access Memory. RAM stores data temporarily while the computer is running, so the CPU can access it quickly. When the computer is turned off, the data in RAM disappears. There are a key RAM type of DDR SDRAM. Currently, the most common type found in modern desktop and laptop computer is DDR4 from about 2014 and to 2021. And the latest generation of RAM released around 2021 is DDR5. It offers a significant leap in speed and bandwidth compared to DDR4. There are a top brand of RAM like Corsair with Vigils and Dominator line series, very popular for gaming and enthusiast builds, known for high speeds and stylish design. And G-Skill or in Trident Z line series, a major competitor also known for high performance RAM, often with aesthetic RGB lighting. For the next part is interconnection. Interconnection is the main board of motherboard. Motherboard is the main circuit board acting as the hub of the network system. Our major component like the CPU, RAM, GPU, expansion card or GPU, and SSD or storage. It allocates power and coordinates communication between them. And the motherboard have several chipsets like the Z series. For Intel is Z790 and for AMD is X670E. This motherboard is the flagship tier of motherboard. Crucially, the Z series is the only platform that fully supports CPU overclocking. And the second is the B series. For Intel is B760 and AMD B650. Is the most popular chipset tier in the mid-range tier, offering the best balance between feature and performance and cost, of course. And the third or the lowest level is the H series. For the Intel is H610 and AMD is A620, represents the entry-level budget option. This chipset is prioritized affordability over feature. And the top brand of motherboard is Asus with ROG and TUF series, and Gigabyte with Aorus series. Next part is storage. Storage is part like hard disk or HDD and SSD. Hard disk use spinning magnetic platters to store data. They are generally slower but cheaper for large capacities. SSD or solid state drive use a flash memory chips, making them much faster, quieter, and much more reliable. The top brand SSD is Samsung and Agatha XPG. Top brand hard disk is Western Digital, a major player, especially their high-speed drive target at gamers and professionals. The second is Seagate, a major player producing reliable high-capacity hard disk drive or HDD. And the next part is graphics. Graphic or graphic processing unit GPU, a specialized processor that handles complex visual data. While the CPU can handle graphic, a dedicated GPU is much more efficient, freeing up the CPU for the other tasks. It's crucial for video rendering, 3D games, and graphic design. On the GPU, have two chips manufactured, and I call the big two, NVIDIA and AMD. NVIDIA with GeForce RTX series is the market leader of the GPU, famous for the features like ray tracing and DLSS or deep learning super sampling. And for AMD with Radeon RX series, a strong competitor offering excellent raw performance and features like fidelity super resolution of FHR. And the last part is power. Power is like power supply unit or PSU convert the AC electricity from the wall outlet into the low voltage DC power required by the computer component. Common wattage it available for modern gaming PC is range from 650 watt to up to 1000 watt or more. The top brand of PSU like ROG, Republic of Gamer, and XPG. Okay, the next material is software and operating system. The first part is what is software? Software is essentially a collection of electronic data stored and arranged by a computer. It takes the form of program containing the instruction or command necessary to perform data processing. The primary role of software is to act as the essential bridge or intermediary that allows the human user to interact with and utilize the computer physical component. Type of software. First is operating system or OS. This is the most fundamental software. It manages and controls all basic operation on the computer. In second is application program. These programs are designed and used for specific purpose by the end user, such as creating document, calculating data, or playing music. In third is programming language. This is the language used by developers to communicate with the computer and provide the initial instruction for all other programs. And the last is utility programs. These are helpful support programs that assist in the management, maintenance, and overall improvement of the computer performance and health. Okay, for the next part is operating system or OS. Operating system or OS is specialized system software that function as the crucial intermediary between the user and the computer hardware. OS have a function like resource management. It is responsible for managing and allocating all the computer resources. In second is interface. It provides user interface, either graphical user interface or GUI, or command line interface or CLI, to ensure that user can interact with the complex hardware easily and effectively. And the third function is running basic operation. The OS handle the process of loading and executing or running all other programs and applications. And the last function is data security. It provides essential features to maintain the security and protection of the user data and system integrity. Okay. Operating system have main component like kernel. This is considered the core of the heart of the operating system. The second is user interface or shell. This is the part of directly interact with the user, processing the user input and displaying output. The third is file management system. The system regulates how data is organized, stored, and retrieved on permanent storage device like the hard disk and SSD. And the last is primary memory management. This component ensures that memory is efficiently divided and allocated among the programs that are running and the operating system itself. Okay, operating system has several types, and the three popular OS is like Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. For the first is Microsoft Windows, the most widely used operating system on personal computer or PC, known for its intuitive graphical interface, and it is a display of Windows 11, the newest Windows. In the second, Linux, an open source operating system that provides high flexibility and stability, frequently used for a web server and software development. This is a display of Linux. In the last is Mac OS, developed by Apple, recognized for its elegant design and often favored by creative professionals. This is a display of the Mac OS. Okay, in the last section is conclusion. What is conclusion in this project? A computer system functions through the collaboration of its physical hardware, which includes the CPU for processing and RAM for processing, the motherboard for interconnection, storage for permanent data, and the GPU for graphic and its foundational software. Primarily, the operating system or OS, which manages this resource enable use interaction. Okay, that's all of my presentation about inside the computer and software and operating system. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed the explanation. Have a nice day, everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.